What can you do in 1 minute? In 1 minute, you can read half a page of a book. In 1 minute, you can climb 50 steps. In 1 minute, you can capture a photo of the sunset. This is the detection speed of Focusight today. In 1 minute, 1,800 pharmaceutical boxes are inspected. In 1 minute, 30 smartphone cover glasses are examined. In 1 minute, 25 new energy batteries are checked. In 1 minute, 170 roses are sorted. In 1 minute, 210 tobacco leaves are classified. Every minute, we see beyond the ordinary. Every minute, we detect flaws with precision. Every minute, Focusight powers intelligent manufacturing in China. Join Focusight, where exceptional talent thrives. Explore Focusight solutions. Faster, sharper, smarter.